Okay. What's up guys, today's video, welcome to my YouTube channel, Guard TV, and my Facebook page, Guard TV. Today, I think to all of you to accept as employee in this company guys. So, especially to our 59, to our co-workers. So, hanggang muli, we are together in sa hirap. Guys, everything give things. Everything give things. So, our 59s, so thank you very much for supporting our needs as a security personnel. So today guys, we are separated from the company, the agency, but thank you to all everything. And another, we are another step going up, not down, to take another dreams and to take another destinations. So, tanggapin natin, we will accept in another dreams, whatever happen. Our supporters in South America, Canada, and Australia, and etc. Guys, this morning, thank you very much to all support my page and my YouTube channels. We are very happy. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ninyong suporta.